Some stories are not written in words, but in patience, loyalty, and love. This is the story of Hachiko. At a quiet evening station, a kind professor meets a small puppy. Their eyes meet, and from that moment, a bond begins to bloom. The professor carefully brings Hachiko home. Step by step, the puppy follows, discovering warmth, care, and a place to belong. Days turn into gentle routines. Walks, laughter, and silent understanding fill their time, weaving trust between man and dog. Each morning, Hachiko walks with the professor to the station gate. And each evening, he waits patiently for his return. Seasons change, yet the bond remains. The professor smiles each time he sees Hachiko waiting faithfully by the station. One day, the professor does not come back. The gate remains open, but only silence answers Hachiko's hopeful eyes. Day by day, people notice the little dog. Kindness is offered, but his heart waits only for one. The rain keeps falling, but Hachiko stays, waiting every day at the station. Snow piles high upon the ground. The air sharp was cold. Still Hachiko remains, a small shape against the white silence, his breast forming clouds as he waits faithfully through the freezing days. Blossoms dance in the breeze. Petals fall softly, yet Hachiko watches, hoping for his friend. Golden leaves drift down. People pass by, but Hachiko sits quietly, loyal heart unshaken. Season after season, his vigil never ends. Rain falls, snow covers the ground. Blossoms bloom again, yet Hachiko waits at the same place, day after day. Stories of the loyal dog spread through the city. People gather, moved by his patience and unbroken devotion. Time passes, faces change, but Hachiko stays. His fur grows older, his body weaker, yet his eyes still search for his friend. One evening, as the golden light fades, Hachiko rests at the station gate. His breathing softens, as though carried by the wind. Hachiko closes his eyes for the last time, not in sorrow, but in quiet peace, as if finally meeting his friend again. Shibuya gathers in silence. Flowers are placed, prayers whispered, and hearts touched by the dog's unwavering love. At the station plaza stands Hachiko's statue. Children laugh, travelers pause, and hearts remember his faithful love.